Replacement guide. C100 clean. Turn off the water valve. Then remove the filter housing. Open both top covers and remove the used filter cartridge. Drain the remaining water from inside the housing. Insert the new filter cartridge into the housing. Align the grooves on the covers and close them securely. Attach the housing to the bracket, then rotate it by hand to lock it in place. Flush the system for 5 minutes. During flushing, open the air vent screw to remove trapped air inside the housing. Now, the system is ready for use.